fire station number 9, running a 200-foot, 2-inch gas line from the front to the back side to add a new Generac. Safety. Just don't look down.
Yeah.
Unistrut every 4 feet. We're basically just running the main line from the existing pipe that we installed yesterday. So we're coming up, coming this way, and then going back down this way if you want to take a look. So we're removing that big yellow generator and putting in a new Generac. We tied into the main gas line. We added our own shutoff valve. That way the fire station still has the gas going to it.
What's up, guys? I'm Martin from San Antonio. Right now, we're gonna be running some gas lines right here. We got a 2-inch line coming up on this wall. We're gonna strap it up against this wall and we're gonna get it going. Get a generator hooked up and get it going. This is actually my second time doing work for fire stations. It's been a good while though.
It's always good to have guys like this that also know what you're doing. So at this point, what we're doing now is we're laying down our 2-inch pipe going across this way. As we go, we're putting in Unistrut at the bottom every 4 feet. That way we can strap the pipe. It doesn't get pushed over or shifted as weather goes, or if for some reason somebody comes up here and trips over it, it doesn't move. So what these guys are doing actually right now is they're installing a 2-inch mega press coupling. So once they put this pipe in there, it connects, they press it together and it'll create a tight seal. And then we just continue on this way. We're at the generator, we'll stop there, we'll put a gas test on it. The generator company will come in and they'll install it, and then the electricians will come in after that. Once that's done, we'll come back in and actually put our line to the generator, and then it'll be a complete job after that. All right, so at this point, after we already did our length from one end to the other end, we gotta spray it with UV protection. That way the sun and the elements don't ruin the pipe as far as getting rusted or cracking and breaking. That's San Antonio code, and that's what we do. So that's what this is for. Once we got our pipe ran this way, come up, come over, getting ready to get that piece and go straight down with it, which should be, if I'm correct, 15 feet. Okay, so at this point, we've completed our 2-inch line from the top of the roof down to this point where the new generator is going to go. So what we've done is we put on a gas gauge to actually test the full system. So what we'll do is fill it up to 10 PSI, which is on the blue line, and then basically do a drop test. So if that line drops here, that means there is a leak. If it holds, which it should because it's brand new, and of course we installed it, then we're good to go. At that point, we'll be complete. They can put in their generator and Call us again if they ever need anything. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after a long day of running 2-inch black iron pipe for a gas line for fire station number 9, we've come to a complete stop as far as our installation. Our next step is waiting for inspection. Inspection will happen in the next few days, and after that, we'll be completely done. We'll be out of here, and it'll be another job well done by Reliant Plumbing. Even though we're on a commercial property right now as far as the fire station, I would still recommend a residential home have a backup generator. So having a backup generator is basically just a peace of mind. You don't have to worry about having no power to your home when there's a storm or there's an overusage of the grid. If the San Antonio fire station trusts us to do the work for them, you should as well. Give us a call, we're happy to help.